So we're releasing the hood latch on a 2012 Range Rover supercharged. Hood cable broke, or hood latch broke. There's a few videos online, but none of them had the shroud in place here, so I couldn't actually get in there that way. So what I did is I had to cut out a little section, which sucks, to get in there. And then I popped out the bottom of the grill here, left the top latched in. It doesn't look like anything broke, it just popped out. I stuck a shirt in there, and that gave me the ability to get in here at the bottom. So if we look at the camera here, once you get in there and you're looking up, you can see so that is the the safety catch, and then you can see the two cables there. On this one there's actually two cables. Comes in from the driver's side and it goes over to the second latch on the other side of the hood. So once I got there, I was able to just use a piece of bent metal like this, get up in there next to it. So you can see here, so with that metal piece coming up here, just a little bent piece of aluminum, coming straight up, you can see it's coming in there. If you kind of wedge it in between those two, you can twist, pull the release back.